alternate option to use RoostGPT is via Visual Studio Code extension model. The VSCode extension offers RoostGPT functionality directly within the Visual Studio Code editor, allowing developers to interactively generate tests while coding. Let's take a look at the steps to set this up. First, download the extension. Search for RoostGPT in the VS Code extension marketplace, or install it from the official page. Step 2 is to configure a test plan. Open the extension settings in VS Code to configure preferences such as AI provider, model, and authentication token. Once configuration is done, you can start generate tests. RoostGPT's VS Code extension intelligently detects relevant files and functions for test generation. Use the context menu or file options to generate tests at the file, class, or method level within VS Code. The VS Code extension is highly convenient for developers who prefer a GUI and want to generate tests directly in their development environment without switching contexts.